Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at a new VPN app that can help improve your browsing experience by providing a more stable and secure connection. This app is available on the Google Play Store, so you can easily find and install it. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN app, which is UTECH VPN. You'll recognize it by the app icon shown on the store page. Once you find it, tap on it. Step 2. Tap on the Install button and wait for it to download. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the app. Step 3. On the home screen of the app, you'll see several options. First, tap on the 4 small circles at the top of the screen. From the menu, select Update Config. This helps the app refresh its resources so it can perform at its best. Step 4. Next, tap on the server box and choose a server location from the available list. Pick the one that works best for your region for a smoother experience. Step 5. Now tap on the network options. In the search bar, type UDP. If UDP is supported in your country, select it. If not, you can pick another supported option that matches your network provider. Step 6. Once you've selected your server and network option, tap the Start button. After a few seconds, your VPN will connect successfully, and you'll see the status on the screen. That's it. You've now set up UTECH VPN and established a secure connection. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Stopwatch equals 5SS00. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future guides. See you in the next video.